Tonight there will be a double transit and double eclipse of the Jupiter. Jupiter's satellite Ganymede and Io will eclipse and transit the planet. As you see in this image, the sun is shining from the right and Ganymede's shadow is seen there. The process starts in the night of the 14th around 10:30 and ends up around 7 o'clock in the morning of the 15th. Of course, the times are all in UTC and summer times of Britain. First, you will see the passage of the Ganymede, then the shadow of the Ganymede, then Io passage, then the Io transit, transit, then the eclipse by the Io. And as I mentioned, by 7 o'clock UTC, the whole process is finished.